Hello everyone, welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a purchase executive interview. If you are applying for a purchase executive role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I am sharing with you the top most important purchase executive job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you explain the importance of supplier relationship management in procurement? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of supplier relationship management and its impact on procurement processes. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, supplier relationship management is crucial in procurement as it involves building and maintaining positive relationships with suppliers to ensure reliable and high quality supply chains. Effective SRM helps negotiate better terms, ensures timely deliveries, and fosters collaboration for innovation. By maintaining strong relationships, a company can mitigate risks, reduce costs, and improve overall procurement efficiency. Question number two: how do you ensure cost effective purchasing while maintaining quality? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to understand your approach to balancing cost and quality in procurement. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, to ensure cost effective purchasing while maintaining quality, I conduct thorough market research to identify reliable suppliers offering competitive prices. I also implement a strategic sourcing process, evaluating suppliers based on price, quality, and reliability. Additionally, I negotiate favorable terms and leverage bulk purchasing to reduce costs. Regularly reviewing supplier performance and fostering long term relationships helps maintain high quality standards. Question number three: can you describe a time when you successfully resolved a procurement issue? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your problem solving skills and your ability to handle procurement challenges effectively. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role, we faced a situation where a key supplier failed to deliver critical components on time, jeopardizing our production schedule. I quickly communicated with the supplier to understand the issue and explored alternative solutions. Simultaneously, I identified and negotiated with an alternate supplier to provide the necessary components. By coordinating with both suppliers and expediting the process, we managed to avoid production delays and maintained our delivery commitments. Question number four: how do you stay updated on market trends and supplier developments? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to know how proactive you are in keeping up with industry trends and supplier information. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay updated on market trends and supplier developments by regularly attending industry conferences, webinars, and trade shows. I also subscribe to relevant industry publications and join professional networks to exchange insights with peers. Additionally, I maintain open communication with suppliers to stay informed about their latest offerings and any potential changes in the market. This proactive approach helps me make informed procurement decisions and stay ahead of industry trends. Question number five: what strategies do you use to manage inventory effectively? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your knowledge and experience in inventory management. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, to manage inventory effectively, I implement strategies such as just in time inventory to reduce holding costs and minimize waste. I use inventory management software to track stock levels, monitor demand patterns, and set reorder points. Regularly conducting inventory audits helps ensure accuracy and identify any discrepancies. Additionally, I collaborate closely with sales and production teams to align inventory levels with demand forecasts, ensuring optimal stock levels, and minimizing stockouts. So, there you have it, 5 most important purchase executive job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.